When it comes to creating a healthier home environment, especially for allergy sufferers, a high-quality air purifier can make a world of difference. Whether you're dealing with dust, pollen, pet dander, or seasonal allergens, the right purifier can help you breathe easier, sleep better, and feel more comfortable every day. But with so many options out there, from compact units for bedrooms to powerful machines designed for large living spaces, choosing the best one for your needs can be overwhelming. That's why we've researched and rounded up 7 of the best air purifiers on Amazon right now. In this video, we'll break down what makes each model stand out, including performance, filter technology, noise levels, design, and price, so you can find the perfect fit for your home and lifestyle. So, which air purifier should you bring home in 2025? Let's dive in and find out. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe for more smart gadgets to help you live cleaner, healthier, and happier. Number 7. BLUEAIR BluePure 311i Max. The BLUEAIR BluePure 311i Max is part of BLUEAIR's top-performing Pure Max series, delivering a powerful and efficient clean for spaces up to 1,858 square feet in just 1 hour. Whether it's your bedroom, kitchen, or living area, this purifier refreshes your air quickly and quietly, making it perfect for allergy sufferers and pet owners alike. Using proprietary HEPA silent dual filtration technology, the BluePure 311i Max combines mechanical and electrostatic filtration to remove at least 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns, including viruses, smoke, pollen, mold, pet dander, and dust. The activated carbon filter also tackles common household odors like cooking smells, pet odors, and smoke. Certified by QuietMark, it operates between 23 and 50 decibels, making it one of the quietest purifiers for continuous use even during sleep. This model is also packed with Alexa voice commands. The intuitive display uses a 5-color air quality index and simple controls, including night mode, auto mode, and child lock, making it easy to customize your air cleaning experience. If you want a fast, whisper, quiet, and intelligent air purifier that covers medium to large rooms with advanced allergen removal, the BluePure 311i Max is a top contender. Number 6. Coway Airmega AP1512HHW. The Coway Airmega AP1512HH, also known as the Mighty, is designed to deliver powerful allergen removal for rooms up to 361 square feet, making it a great option for bedrooms, offices, or medium-sized living spaces. It uses a comprehensive 4-stage filtration system including a pre-filter, deodorizing filter, true HEPA filter, and vital ion technology to capture and reduce up to 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. This means it effectively removes pollen, dust, pet dander, and other common allergens, as well as odors and volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, for fresher air. What sets this model apart is a real-time air quality sensor. The purifier offers manual fan speeds and an auto mode that adjusts the fan speed based on detected pollution levels. If no pollution is found for 30 minutes, it switches to eco mode to save energy by pausing the fan. Additional convenience features include a timer option and filter replacement indicators that notify you when it's time to clean or swap out both the pre-filter and HEPA filter. Despite its power, it operates quietly with noise levels ranging from 24.4 to 53.8 decibels and uses just 77 watts of power. For those who want an intelligent, efficient purifier with detailed air quality feedback and energy-saving features, the Coway Airmega AP1512HH is a solid, reliable choice. Number 5. PuroAir 240 HEPA Air Purifier. The PuroAir 240 HEPA air purifier is built for those who want reliable, scientifically validated air purification in larger rooms, up to 1,000 square feet, making it ideal for spacious bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. This purifier features a powerful 3-layer filtration system combining a pre-filter, true HEPA filter, and activated carbon filter. Together, they remove up to 99.9% of airborne pollutants, including dust, pollen, smoke, pet dander, and harmful VOCs. In fact, the filters capture particles 700 times smaller than a human hair, tackling even the tiniest allergens lurking in your indoor air. Backed by extensive lab testing and certifications from CARB, ETL, ISO, UL, and Energy Star, the PuroAir ensures high-performance filtration that improves allergy symptoms and enhances sleep quality. Its built-in smart particle sensor continuously monitors air quality and automatically adjusts fan speed when pollution levels rise, providing clean air 24/7 without any fuss. Thanks to its quiet sleep mode, this purifier works silently through the night, so you can breathe easy without distractions. With a 2-year risk-free warranty and trusted by over 500,000 families, the PuroAir 240 offers peace of mind alongside cleaner, fresher air. Number 4. LEVOIT Vital 100SP. The LEVOIT Vital 100SP is a top choice for those who need effective allergen removal in larger spaces, covering up to 1,073 square feet. Perfect for open-concept living rooms, spacious bedrooms, or home offices. What sets this purifier apart is its AHAM-verified certification, meaning it has been independently tested and proven for performance, safety, and energy efficiency. It cleans the air nearly 5 times per hour in smaller rooms and once every hour in larger areas, ensuring your space stays fresh and free from pollen, dust, pet dander, smoke, and other allergens. Pet owners will appreciate the dedicated pet mode, which efficiently traps pet fur and large particles while conserving energy. The purifier's powerful 3-stage filtration system, including a true HEPA filter, captures 99.97% of ultrafine particles as small as 0.3 microns, making it highly effective against common allergens. The Vital 100SP also features a HEPA sleep mode that dims display lights and quiets fan speeds in darkness, so you can rest undisturbed while the purifier works. With smart Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily create schedules, control fan speed, and switch between modes such as auto, sleep, and pet mode from your phone, giving you total control over your air quality. If you're looking for a reliable certified air purifier with a strong allergen filtration and smart features for large rooms, the LEVOIT Vital 100SP is an excellent choice. Number 3. AROEVE Air Purifier MK01. The AROEVE MK01 is designed for anyone looking for effective allergen removal in smaller spaces like bedrooms, offices, or dorm rooms. Equipped with a 3-layer filtration system, it captures smoke, pollen, pet dander, and other airborne particles to improve indoor quality and promote better health. Thanks to its dual-channel 360-degree air inlet technology, this purifier circulates air efficiently, refreshing rooms up to 287 square feet and ensuring every corner gets cleaned. Whether you're sleeping, working, or relaxing, the MK01 keeps your environment fresh and allergen-free. One of its best features is the ultra-quiet operation, especially in sleep mode, where the noise drops to just 22 decibels, practically silent, so you can rest or focus without distraction. The MK01 also includes an aroma pad, letting you add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. If you want an allergy-efficient, quiet purifier that combines allergen control with customizable aromatherapy, the AROEVE MK01 is a solid choice for your home or workspace. Number 2. Afloia Air Purifier Kilo. The Afloia Kilo Air Purifier is perfect for anyone needing reliable air purification for larger spaces, covering up to an impressive 1,076 square feet. With a rapid clean air delivery rate of 140 meters cubed per hour, it refreshes the air in a typical 269 square foot room 4 times every hour and can purify a large living room or bedroom in about an hour, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers battling dust, pet dander, pollen, mold, smoke, and odors. One of its standout features is the customizable 7-color atmosphere lighting, which lets you set the mood in any room, from a cozy living space to a focused study or peaceful bedroom. Speaking of sleep, the Afloia operates ultra quietly at just 22 decibels, making it nearly silent while it works. You can also set a timer for 2, 4, or 8 hours, so it runs only as long as you need it, waking you up to fresher, cleaner air every morning. The purifier uses a 3-stage filtration system that effectively removes allergens like dust, pet hair, and smoke. For large rooms, quiet operation, and personalized comfort, the Afloia Kilo delivers powerful allergen removal with thoughtful features designed for everyday living. Number 1. LEVOIT Air Purifier Core Mini P. The LEVOIT Core Mini P is an ideal choice for anyone seeking a compact yet effective air purifier design specifically for bedrooms, offices, or small spaces. Featuring a 3-in-1 filtration system including a true HEPA filter, an activated carbon filter, and a unique fragrance sponge, this purifier tackles common allergens like dust, pet dander, pollen, smoke, and odors, making it perfect for allergy sufferers who want cleaner, fresher air while they sleep. The added fragrance sponge is a standout feature, allowing you to infuse your space with calming scents for better sleep and relaxation. Unlike bulkier models, the Core Mini P is easy to move around and perfect for personal spaces while still delivering powerful filtration to reduce allergens and irritants that trigger sneezing, coughing, and congestion. At an affordable price point, the LEVOIT Core Mini P balances performance, portability, and comfort, making it a top contender for anyone looking to breathe easier in smaller living areas. And there you have it, the best air purifier for allergies allergens isn't one size fits all. Whether you're looking for a compact unit for your bedroom, a powerhouse for large rooms, or smart features that fit your lifestyle, there's a perfect option tailored to your needs. It's all about what works best for you and how you want to improve the air you breathe every day. Choosing the right purifier means thinking beyond specs and focusing on what matters most: effective allergen removal, room coverage, noise level, and ease of use. Investing in the right air purifier gives you cleaner air, great comfort, and peace of mind with every breath. So if you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you liked, commented, and subscribed so you won't miss our next guide. Thanks for watching.